Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. JD here, and this is Legacy Outdoors. Today's video is brought to you by MHPOWOS. MHPOWOS is a company that specializes in solar panels. They have small portable solar panels or larger panels that you can utilize to power large devices or maybe even off-grid living. So check them out. I'll leave the link in the description below. But a few weeks ago, they reached out to me about testing out this portable 40-watt solar panel. This solar panel is made with the outdoor enthusiasts in mind. So whether you like camping, hiking, fishing, kayak fishing, whatever you like to do outside, this unit here is small, compact, lightweight, and portable enough to keep you on the go. So when you open up the box, this is what's in it. There's a pouch on the back, and that keeps your cables housed as well as your connector to plug the cables in. The connector itself comes with 3 different outputs. You have one DC output, you have a USB type A, and then a USB type C output in here. It comes with a couple different cables. You have this 7-in-1 solar connector, so that'll keep you on the go with all different types of devices. You also have the USB type C connector, and it has a lightning charger adapter on the end for iPhones and stuff like that. The unit itself, when you open it up, it has 4 different panels. It's IP65 waterproof, and it's designed to easily charge smartphones, cameras, tablets, any type of power bank or small outdoor device, anywhere and anytime you have the sun. So you have a couple grommets here. You can hang it vertically, you can hang it horizontally, you can lean it against something, you can lay it flat. However you can get the sun on this will go. It's designed to capture more sunlight and convert into usable energy quickly and efficiently. So like I said, I like to use this when I'm camping to recharge my Devos light rangers during the day. It takes a couple hours, or even plug it into my smartphone when I need a little bit extra juice. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave all the description and everything down below with a link where you can find MHPOWOS and this portable solar panel in particular. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you MHPOWOS for sending me this unit. I've enjoyed it so far and look forward to using it in many adventures to come. But until then, we'll catch you guys next time. God bless you.